In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic invoicing in Xero. This process is a fantastic way to streamline your billing operations and ensure you're providing a consistent and efficient service to your clients. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Xero website and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to look for the option labeled Sales. You can typically find this towards the top of the page, possibly in the main navigation menu. Once you've located Sales, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with further options. Here, you'll want to zero in on Invoices and click on that as well. Now that you're on the Invoices page, you'll see all your previous invoices listed, along with some additional options. We're focusing on automatic invoicing today, so what you want is to set up invoice reminders. Look for a feature that mentions Invoice Reminder Setup. This is where you can customize reminders according to your specific needs and preferences. You might want to send reminders 1 week before an invoice is due, or a couple of days after it's overdue. Think carefully about what would best suit your client relationships and typical payment schedules. It's crucial to strike a balance between being professional and persistent without coming off as overly aggressive. Once you've thought about your reminder intervals, personalize this section so that it fits within those parameters. Make sure your customer is informed by selecting the right number of days before or after the due date. Properly configured reminders can significantly help in reducing delayed payments and improving your cash flow. When you're satisfied with how you've set these up, it's time to save your settings. Look for a Save button, typically located at the bottom of the setup page. By clicking Save, you ensure that all the tailored reminders you've painstakingly personalized are stored and ready for action. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've set up automatic invoicing reminders in Xero. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you manage financial transactions and ensure timely payments. Don't forget to periodically review and adjust these settings based on feedback and evolving business requirements. Automatic reminders are valuable for maintaining clear communication, establishing a good rapport with your clients, and encouraging prompt payment, which is beneficial for your business's health and your peace of mind. Congratulations on taking this proactive step to enhance your business operations. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and guides.